Hey everyone, in this YouTube video I would like to show you how to create a Petdesk account. So let's get started, and to create an account you first need to download the Petdesk application. So let's do that. You can install this application from Play Store or App Store. So let's open up Play Store in my case, and after that let's search for Petdesk. Just enter Petdesk in the search box. And here on the first place we can see the necessary application. Let's go to the page, and here we can install this application. Tap on install. So let's read the information about this app. Their goal is to help your pets live longer, happier and healthier lives. Petdesk puts you at the center of your pet's health needs by seamlessly connecting you with the best pet care professionals near you. Now it's easy to be the best pet parent you can be. Let's go back, and now we can open this app. So let's tap on open, and here we can log in or create a new account. So if you already have an account, just tap on login and enter your login and password. If you haven't an account, just tap on create account, and here you need to fill in 4 fields. So type here your full name, your cell phone number, your email address, and your password. And tap on create. And that's all. Welcome to Petdesk. You're in for a treat with these next steps. Review and update your pet's information, get in touch with your vet, create a to-do reminder for pet care. So let's tap on continue. And here we can enable notifications or disable it if you want. And after that, tap on get started. So guys, that's how you can easily create a Petdesk account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.